Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, friends and family, followers, subscribers, and people who want to be my friend. I like having friends. If you are a single lady, I could use a very special single lady friend. I need a travel partner is what I need. I need somebody who wants to go on long road trips and seek treasure, and specifically go to my niece's graduation in Illinois, and then 3 days later, Billings, Montana, for my cousin TJ's wedding. I don't want to go by myself. Anyway, I am going to run to the bank. I'm going to grab some cashola, and I'm going to hit a couple of, garage sales, and then make my way out towards the store, where Bob said there is about 6 vendors set up, so that is fantastic. And then I got to be back, because I'm supposed to be doing a 1 o'clock auction. I don't know if it's going to happen or not. Don't know that I'm really feeling the Friday afternoon auctions, as but last weekend, I guess, was Memorial Day weekend, so we'll see. I got lots of stuff to offer up for sale. Hopefully, I find a bunch more this morning. Not that I need a whole lot more. I still have more than half of the video games that we didn't get to sell last night. We shut the auction down early yesterday. Unbeknownst to me, no one told me, there was a charity auction for Talbert's mom, who is a fantastic moderator in a lot of the channels. Don't see her much in my channel, but I know she's in Storage Legends channel, and Fat Man the Flipper, El Cubanazo. So anyway, so they ran a charity auction for her. Evidently her son passed away in an automobile accident, and that is absolutely horrible and tragic. And I send many prayers and all my love to her and her family in this horrible time. I did donate. I did buy a t-shirt from It's Getting Real. I bought an authentic 1985 Kiss Asylum rock concert t-shirt, single stitch, that has never been worn. She used to work for Billboard magazine and Capitol Records. Why does my car sound like something is loose? And so anyway, so she got paid to basically go to all of these concerts, and she got concert t-shirts at all these concerts. So now she's been doing a charity auction on Cha-Cha's channel, because I guess her sister's husband had passed away. So she went down to Houston and brought all of her rock concert t-shirts, and has been doing auctions every day to raise money to help her sister out. She jumped in to help out Talbert's mom. I bought the Kiss Asylum t-shirt for $150. But man, I gotta give kudos to Alex, Fat Man the Flipper. He bought a unicorn. He bought a white promo original Prince Purple Rain white t-shirt. The white was only done as a promotion in the East Coast, I believe is what she said. And she has all her ticket stubs and backstage passes, and is willing to write letters of provenance, so people can, if we go to resell them or whatever, we can prove that, hey, we got this from so and so, she worked at such and such, this is how she got the t-shirt and whatnot. So it's always helpful to be able to prove provenance. So he bought that Prince Purple Rain t-shirt for $250, and I think he said he was willing to go as high as it would take. So I imagine if somebody would have bid $5, Alex probably would have gone $550 on it. But it was all in for a good cause to help out Albert's mom in her time of need. My auction at 1 o'clock, literally in 2.5 hours. I don't know. We might not make that. I don't know. It might be like 2 or 3 o'clock. Not quite sure. It might be just a really quick auction because Global Voodoo kicks his auction off at 6, and I don't want to step on his toes. Because Mike has been a fantastic mentor and friend to me, and I want to let him have all the attention he can garnish on his auction. Because he absolutely deserves it. He's a good dude. So I gotta wheel through the bank to the ATM machine. Was it just a Central Illinois thing in the 80s, 70s or 80s, early 90s? Or were before every bank owned their own automated teller machine, were they all called Easy Answer? Like, I remember them being called Easy Answer when I was a kid, like in the early to mid 80s, maybe early 90s. And then the banks started owning their own ATM machines. But I specifically remember it being called Easy Answer. The actual ATM machines. Like, that was a brand. I don't know. If you remember that, put it in the comments. Or if they were called something else in your area, let me know. I remember when I moved to... when I was working for True Green. So I think in 94, I moved to Louisville, Kentucky, and I think they were called Pulse. And I thought, oh, I was looking for an Easy Answer, and I couldn't find it. And then everybody's like, oh, you need to go to the Pulse. I'm like, oh, okay. So if you remember that, leave me some comments. Let me know what it was called in your area. Why is everybody whipping into the bank and whipping out? It's so peculiar. I don't know why the drive-thru is closed here. And like the bank is, I don't know, this bank is back asswards. Because now instead of letting, they've closed all the drive-thru lanes, okay? There's like hurricane fencing, netting up. And they're not letting anybody in the bank. But what they are doing is you can walk up to the drive-thru. I don't know. But they have like 6 other drive-thru lanes, but they're all closed. So who knows? Alright. So I gotta take out some money. Hopefully Bob does not get angry. But I'm going to buy treasure with it, so that's what matters, right? I would like to do my transaction in English, thank you. Let's see what it says. Am I the grand prize winner? Yes, I would like a receipt. Please say cash withdrawal. Let's say $300. Just in case we find some big amount of treasure. I would bet anything that Bob has alerts set up on our business checking account that when amounts of over like $50 are taken out, he gets an alert on his phone. And I bet I get a call or a text like, what did you take $300 out for? Maybe not, I don't know. I've never taken out a large amount of money from it. I think I've only ever taken money out of the ATM machine in our card like once before. And it was for the exact same purpose, to go treasure hunting with. Alright, we are on our way now. It's so weird. People are like, I don't know, I don't get it. Just open the damn bank. Walmart's open. 600 people can be in Walmart. Can't have 5 people in the bank. Really? Oh my God. Don't even get me started on this bullshit. Because I will lose my mind. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I need to take a defensive driving training course online here in the next few days, as I had received a speeding ticket a month or 2 ago, and I paid half the ticket, which was like $148, and then they give you the option so it doesn't go on your driving record. Oh, none of this happened. Let me refrain. Never mind. Let me redact all of that just in case my auto insurance agent is watching my YouTube channel. This is a fictional story, ladies and gentlemen. This is a story of pure fiction. So anyway, you pay half your speeding ticket, which is like $148. Then they give you an opportunity to pay like $70 or whatever to take an online driver's training course, defensive driving, and it doesn't go on your record. So I have to do that here in the next few days before my time expires. So if anybody wants to remind me here in the next day or two, or check and make sure that I've done that. Not that this actually happened, because this is a complete story of fiction. So let us go seek the treasure, as they said. You know what in Oh Brother Where Art Thou, John Turturro was like, do not seek the treasure. Do not seek the treasure. Anyway, I don't know. I've always wanted to seek treasure. I'm a treasure hunter. I want to get scuba diving certified. I don't know. I've never seen a fat person scuba dive though. I don't know if that's even a thing. Do they make wetsuits in like 4XLT? I need to know these things. I want to go diving for Spanish gold, or gold of any kind on the bottom of the ocean, or lake even. Hell, I would go dive for lead in Lake Superior, I think it's Lake Superior, at the site of the sunken Sir Edmund Fitzgerald, which is, if you have never heard the song, is it Hymn of the Edmund Fitzgerald by Gordon Lightfoot from like 1977? It's a true story. You should listen to the song. Gordon Lightfoot, Edmund Fitzgerald. Just Google that or put that into YouTube, and you'll get a nifty little story and song. If you're into the slow, like hippie music from back in the day, but it's a true story. So anyway, I am heading into Hazel, Texas now, and we shall seek some treasure at some local garage sales. I will see you in just a second. Maybe if I can hit the button here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am heading home. I didn't get to do any filming at the flea market. I was talking with the vendors. They weren't too keen on being on film, but I did get something I've always wanted. I got me a big gumball machine that will go in my house. That son of a bitch is heavy. Heavy. So, and I bought a mini, you see this little mini thermos here. It's full of like Craftsman sockets. So we'll have those tonight at auction. You had no turn signal on, guy. I thought you were going straight. Don't yell at me. So that's what's going on. So I'm driving home now. We gotta get ready for this auction that's gonna happen here in a minute. In I guess an hour and 18 minutes. I'm not gonna have a whole lot of time to get ready, since it takes me 20 minutes to get home. Alright, I'll see you guys in a second. You'll probably see this video after the auction. I don't know. We'll see. Ciao. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, friends, family, internet, stalkers, strangers, haters, and those ladies who desire my companionship. It is I, your good buddy Delden, and welcome to the 9-Pound Hammer. And tonight, we are at Brown Flare Threading and Salon and Spa. And yours truly, and maybe a couple of my friends, might get our eyebrows threaded. Kirby's being a bitch. So I'm at least going to do it because we're going to make some YouTube gold. And we have, what is your name, ma'am?
Sanju.
Sanju?
Yes, sir.
And Namuna.
Uh-huh.
And you're going to be doing my eyebrows?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is going to be fun. Kirby, do you mind? I guess I need to take my glasses off. Okay. Oh, gee, Christmas. Okay.
So do you make vlogs?
Huh?
Do you make like vlogs or?
Yeah, I have a channel with several thousand subscribers. And,
That's awesome.
yeah,
Okay, you ready?
I guess. Ah! Ow! What? Ah! Oh my God. Does waxing feel like this?
Worse than this, I think.
Really? Oh my Jesus.
Okay, now you have to hold it like this way. Close your eyes. And then put it on one side.
You smell fantastic. Ow!
Thank you. You do too. Like 40%.
Straight gas?
Yeah.
That is very precious and tender flesh.
Have you done your eyebrows before?
Never.
Like not threading.
I plucked them before.
Oh, is it?
Ow.
That's like plucking.
No, it's not. Plucking's like one hair at a time. You're taking like 50.
You want to start right here?
Huh?
You want to put your hand right
You put it, okay. This hand right here? Like that?
Yep.
Who invented this?
I don't know.
Oh my God. Ow! This is not fun.
It's fun.
Is it?
See, you're enjoying
Oh
it.
my
She's-
God. Can I take
she's
you to
having
dinner
a-
afterwards?
She's having a blast. I don't know what you're talking
You
about.
can leave that.
Okay.
Your friends are enjoying it.
Yeah, because they're oh my God. You lied to me, Namuna.
No.
What's it? I don't get what do you have in your mouth? The other end of the string?
Yep.
Yep.
Can you get all the white ones out, all the gray hairs?
I'll try this, not much. I can take it out.
Oh my goodness, that hurts.
Okay, you want to hold it again like before?
You don't get many men to do this.
We do.
You are lying to me.
No. You want to like put this on top and then this one on your leg?
Like this? Okay, put my hand where you need it.
Yeah. Right there.
And then what do I do with this one? Pull it down?
We get a lot of men. You'll be surprised.
Oh my God. You love this, don't you?
I do.
You're like a sadist. You like giving men pain. Oh, wow, God, I want to cuss so bad. Ow. Oh my God, why am I doing this?
You'll be alright. You'll be fine. You'll
Oh my
love
God.
it.
Oh, I'm gonna love it, am I?
Afterwards, yeah.
Oh. Are you married?
To me?
Yeah.
No.
You want to be?
Maybe.
Oh God, that hurt. Oh.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Oh, that one might hit a nerve. Oh my goodness. Why am I doing this?
Okay, you can give it.
And now the other side, or?
Oh, no, we already did the other side. Now we're just doing the bridge of my nose, I think.
No, I think they need to do the other side.
No,
I
already
already
did.
did it.
Oh, you shut your mouth.
Maybe
Oh,
she needs to
Kirby.
clean up your beer line. Too.
Oh gosh.
You know what I mean?
Oh no. Oh no.
Just
Oh, no, that would hurt
clean
like
it up,
hell.
you know?
Maybe full face?
Yes,
Oh,
yes, there we go.
Oh,
Right?
no. No. I bet that would hurt, wouldn't it?
Is that mascara?
No, it's a brush and
It's trimming. I'm trimming his eyebrow.
God, you smell good.
Thank you. It's a Chanel chance.
So if I pick you up for a date, I should bring you a bottle of that?
Oh. No.
No?
I love Chanel, but
You don't want to go on a date with me.
it's not like that, but kinda, yeah. I have a boyfriend.
You do?
Mhm.
He's a very lucky man.
Is
Do
he?
you inflict pain upon him like this all the time?
Yeah, he does threading, so
Oh, he does the threading too?
yeah, like on his, I do his eyebrow.
Oh, okay.
You want me to plug the white one?
Sure.
Okay.
Is there a lot of white ones?
No. Hold on. White one.
Oh my God.
Just a second, okay? One second.
Whew.
Yes, sir.
oh,
I'm gonna be so angry, Kirby, if your cinematography work sucks.
well, if it does, you'll just have to come back in here again, and we'll try again.
Yeah. No.
Maybe everyone should try.
If it does, then you're getting your eyebrows threaded, and I will pay for it.
See, you guys should try it. He's paying for you guys.
Well, like, I gotta see how it looks on him first, because if it looks good on him, then it'll probably good on
For
me.
sure,
You know what I mean?
yes.
God, this would be amazing to get Bob to do this. I didn't think there was that many white ones.
It was like,
Can you make them not grow back?
I don't know.
You should tint them though.
Yeah. Should color them.
No, that's a little too gay.
Is it?
I think it would be. Not that there's anything. Oh, you're gonna do more of this.
Yeah, there's like this one here sticking.
Beauty hurts.
Oh, this was a bad idea.
Yeah? I don't think so.
No?
Okay. There you go.
I am a big, handsome man.
It looks good.
It does actually look good. Wow.
You want some aloe?
What's that do?
It's a soothing lotion.
I like being soothed.
Okay.
Can't believe I just did this. Why are my eyebrows on fire now?
Because she just put aloe on them.
Yes, but not. It shouldn't be alcohol, right?
That's good. It looks good.
Oh my god. How much would it cost to do my whole face?
Your glasses.
Oh yeah. I have a very low center of gravity. All right, and the final product. You're next, Kirby.
Oh, hell no.
Oh yes.
Oh, hell no.
Oh yes.
I have much more on there for that.
I know.
That's good.
And, ladies and gentlemen, why is there this horrible glare? I think that my camera needs cleaned. Hold on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? If you are in downtown Fort Worth, Texas, you need to come to the Montgomery Plaza and come to Brown Flare. Why is it Brown Flare? Oh, brow. I am an idiot. I cannot read. All right. So I can't read. I don't have my glasses on. That's my excuse. So I will see you guys on the flip side with perfectly manicured brows. Bye, ladies.
Bye.